Oh,
Okay.
you just take 1 teaspoon of barley powder. Okay, put it in hot water. You make it into boil, and you can give that water. It will be like how you make ganji, no? How you make
Yes.
porridge. Same way, barley water. You use barley powder. Okay. Okay, that will help to reduce her leg swelling. Then mid-morning, what you are giving is quite and good. You said you are giving fruits, no? So I
Yeah.
given some fruit options also, except the citrus fruits, orange, okay. That type of fruits, lemon, that and all you have to avoid. Apart from that, you can give any type of fruits, not an issue. Or else you can give dry fruits, almonds, wo bhi de sakte. Okay. So that and all you can give. That will be almond, apricots, figs and all very good for her. Okay. So you can get pigs also. You can give weekly 3-4 times pigs. That also good for her. Then again, lunchtime, vegetable salad. You can give her no issues at all. But curd should be there. Okay. So you people will be eating dokla. Like how we are eating idli, no?
Very
Yes,
nicely.
yes.
What about idli? You prepare idli?
Yeah, idli also.
Yes.
Idli.
Idli, dokla, all fermented products, milk fermented items are there, no? Curd, buttermilk, these are all good for her. Okay,
Okay.
you can give weekly 1 or 2 times idli or dokla, that and all good. Okay, because it is already digested one, partially digested. It is easy for her to get digested. Okay.
Yeah.
So that also you can give. Curd should be there in her diet afternoon time. Okay, you have to include curd, buttermilk. Instead of plain water, you can give buttermilk. Okay, little lemon you can put, but gastric problem is there, no? So you try to avoid for some time. Then otherwise you can add little this one. So afternoon lunch also maximum you try to avoid compensate wheat based. Okay, instead of that you replace with brown rice or replace with bajra, jobar, like that you can replace. Okay, it is not like that completely 100% you need not to avoid your wheat products, but try to reduce it. That's it. Okay, because no wheat contains, you know that no Ridhima, gluten sensitivity will be there.
Yeah.
Okay, that will increases her inflammation furthermore. It will provoke. Okay, that's why.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. And green leafy vegetable, especially fenugreek and amaranth. I don't know, fenugreek means methi.
Methi. Yeah.
Methi means methi. And amaranth, I don't know what is her Hindi name. If you search, you will get it that equivalent Hindi name,
You have
amaranth leaves.
photo. You have photo.
Photo I have to search. Amaranth in here we will say Ponnangani. I don't know what will say there.
Okay, if you have
Amaranth.
photo, you can send me. I can. She'll try to search it there.
I will say the equivalent Hindi name also. I will search and I'll get you.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, no problem. Amaranth leaves. So lettuce. These 3 leaves is very good for ulcer. Okay. Fenugreek, amaranth and lettuce. Okay. Then she can take normal all protein sources. Okay. Cowpeas, green peas. Okay. If you want, I'll find out all the Hindi name for black chenna, cowpeas, green gram, horse gram.
that we know.
Everything she
It's
can
okay.
take. Little cup she can take. Okay, afternoon time. Afternoon time, little cup she can take. Okay.
Okay.
Then again, evening also take her evening snacks. Okay, don't give strong tea again. You can give light tea or cold milk, or you can give milkshakes. Milkshakes is best option for her. Okay, cold milkshake. Okay, with honey. With you can add even 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, no, you can give milkshake, add little almonds in that, make nice milkshake, cold milkshake you can give. That is, but don't use more than 5, huh? More than 5 don't use almonds or any nuts.
Okay.
Okay, huh? Don't put one handful, that increases her fat level. So don't use 3 to 5 maximum per day. And curd. Butter also you can use. Instead of ghee, you can use butter.
Okay. Homemade
Butter.
butter.
Any butter, no issues. Okay. So you can use butter. If at all any you want to apply ghee or oil, instead of that use butter. Or you can use cream also. Okay. Cream or butter you can use. These and all small tips I have not written there. Okay. And one more is good for her is all germination products like sprouts and all will do, no? Germinated chenna, germinated green gram, sprouted. Okay, all sprouted items will be good for her. First one is fermented items. I said no, idli, dokla, curd, like that. Second thing good is for her all sprouted items, all sprouted green gram, chenna, everything you can give to her. Okay, that will be get digested easily. She will not feel like a gastric problem, bloating, or all those things. Okay, sprouts, fermented products should be there daily in her food. Okay, and night time maximum you cut down chapati.
Acha.
Okay, other times you can give 1 or 2 days, that is not a issues. Night time cut down chapati. You can give rice, brown rice.
She
Which
does
rice
not
you are using there? Which rice you people will use there?
like only basmati rice, and
No, boss.
she does not
Oh,
have red rice. Boiled rice she does
no.
not. She's fond of chapati. Night she can't have rice.
Or else you can make roti or something, jola roti, like
Acha.
that, no? Bajra.
Acha. So that I'll see. Then.
Oats, smoothie. Smoothie, you know how to prepare smoothie?
Smoothies, that will be like a liquid only, no?
What you can do, no? Night time, you just make one hand full of oats, one banana, okay, few raisins, few dry fruits, little milk, okay, make it into paste, okay. You can give it in 1 glass. That itself enough for her.
Okay.
Along with that, whatever you prepare, one roti or something, no, little rice, that itself fills her stomach. Okay, she don't feel like a more problem also night time, because no,
Hungry
this
she
makes
won't
more
feel.
discomfort during night time. Huh?
She won't feel hungry.
Matlab I have to avoid chapati at night.
Yes, and make sure that while sleeping, she should not sleep in flat. Make sure that she has to sleep in 3/4. Okay, once she fall into sound sleep, then slowly you can reduce into lie down in flat. Always she has to lie down little 3/4. Okay.
Yeah.
Every time, because now she is in bed rest, no, whole day she should not lie like this. Make sure that lie down in 3/4 pose, so that the food will not come out.
मतलब
Yeah.
सर और गर्दन थोड़ा ऊपर होना चाहिए उनको, जैसे लेटना है ना, तो सर और गर्दन थोड़ा ऊपर और बाकी लेग से सीधा हो सकते हैं वो।
दवाई का नहीं है, ये खाने का है। हाँ, ये दवाई नहीं बताएगी। उन्होंने सिर्फ खाने की डाइट पूरे दिन की बता रही है, दवाई का कुछ नहीं है इसमें। दवाई जो डॉक्टर दे रहा है
No
वही
dawai, only food. Food is medicine, no? Food itself medicine.
Food is the best natural medicine.
Yes. Again, night time she can go for curd. If she is taking curd, no need to give milk. Okay. If she is not taking curd, you can. Some people know night if they consume curd, they will get cold. Is she will get cold?
She gets cold.
Then don't give curd. Okay, I given the option. Okay, don't give cold. Instead of that, no, she can go for night milk. Okay, milk, whenever you are giving milk, you just give cold milk with half teaspoon of honey.
Honey. Okay.
Honey,
No hot.
yes.
No hot.
No hot at all. Okay, no hot. So if she, even tea also she can't drink, otherwise you can give in a warm condition. No hot. And tea should be light. And use palm jaggery if she drinks tea. But no biscuits also.
No biscuits also. Acha.
No biscuits. Evening time, no biscuits. Instead of evening time, no, you can give sprouts. Okay.
Acha.
Even morning also, no biscuits. Only light tea or milk. No biscuits. Directly breakfast.
You have removed all her favorite items.
Yes. Okay.
To give her those things.
So that's what now you have to delay. You delay your morning tea time and give it along with the breakfast, so that she will not ask biscuit.
Okay.
Otherwise, no, she will ask biscuit also. Again, she will take breakfast also. Not necessarily. Okay. So you postpone her tea time, give it along with the breakfast. You adjust the time. Make sure you give it both together.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, like that you can manage. And evening time, if she feels hungry, she can go for kakra, dry chapati. Okay. Or sprouts. Sprouts she can go for fruits. or if she
Okay.
feels more hungry or something, then she can go for arrowroot biscuits. Arrowroot का biscuit वो मिलता है ना, वो that she can take. Okay, otherwise not normal biscuits. Okay, you cut down biscuits completely because it contains soda that will increases her BP.
Acidity. Okay, okay.
Because daily if she eating biscuits, bakery items, you just imagine how much soda she is consuming and complete end of the day, end of the month. Okay. So even she is eating two biscuit also, no? So you cut down all bakery items. That's why I didn't ask you to give for brown bread also. Okay. Once in a while it is okay. Cut down all bakery items and salt. Salt should be half teaspoon
Okay.
per
She
day.
has to take from up also, na? If it is less, she can't take it from. जैसे
Half teaspoon in the sense it will be coming around 3 gram. 3 gram for entire food preparation because her BP is high. She already getting edema because of her BP only. Leg swelling is there, no? That is because of BP. Okay. So while you are preparing, make sure you keep it separately before adding salt. She is a vegetarian, Ridhima?
Yeah.
Pure
Is she
vegetarian. No egg.
She won't eat
Nothing.
the egg
Pure
and all,
vegetarian.
right?
No.
Pure vegetarian. Okay. Okay. That case, no problem. Okay. If she is a non-veg again, soda will. Huh?
Even when Riddhima's sisters bring any egg roll and all, they are out of the house.
Okay. Okay. Good. It is. Okay. So you prepare that whatever sabji you prepare, keep it separately. Make sure that every day 3 gram, that is half teaspoon. Salt, you keep it separately. You add only that much salt. If she doesn't eat properly also, it is okay. You can compensate that with the fruits or fruit juices. While you're preparing fruit juices, don't add sugar again.
Okay.
Okay.
No
But make
adding.
sure that, yes, only you can give it in the form of milkshake. Okay. Apple milkshake, banana milkshake, like that you can give. Okay. So if she reduce the eating quantity, that is not a problem. No problem. Okay. But salt level has to cut down.
We have to lessen the salt. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, half teaspoon per day. That's all.
Okay.
And instead of oil or ghee, you can replace with butter. So that also per day, 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
Entire preparation, all seasoning, tadka, everything including 1 teaspoon oil. Okay, it may be either butter form or any form. 1 teaspoon per day.
Yes.
Okay. So you just follow this. If she has any complaint, you can give. You can ask Ridhima. She will inform me. No problem. Okay.
Yeah.
Or else you can ask me directly. Also, no problem. You get my number from Ridhima.
Yeah.
Okay. You can call me anytime. No problem. Okay. So I don't think we don't have any communication issue. No, Papa. Why we have to disturb Ridhima? So you can call me directly. Any complaint? If she's saying that I don't like that recipe. If you're thinking some alternative you need, no, you can call me anytime. Okay. Don't hesitate. Okay. Don't hesitate to call. Okay. Okay. Sure.
Call you
हाँ,
direct.
एक बार ठीक है मम्मी, पूरा क्लियर हो गया ना अभी? क्लियर हो गया ना? पूरा क्लियर हो गया?
हाँ,
कोई
बेटा,
डाउट है?
हाँ,
ऐसा
सब-
कुछ
सब
पूछना
clear
है
हो
अभी
गया,
आपको?
सब clear हो गया.
ठीक है.
No, the problem when it will come, no, Ridhima, once she started no diet, she will start the problem. Your grandma will say, I don't eat this, I don't, you put little,
Yes.
then
Yeah,
she
yeah,
will
yeah.
look for alternative.
Yes.
Okay, that's what.
So anyways, let's see how far she tries, and I'll share your number with mummy, and then any problem
Yes.
she'll get in touch with you. So
Sure.
approx what I mean, how many days you think will her gastritis will be better? 1 month or 3
No,
weeks? Or
no, we
longer
can't
than that?
make sure because no, we don't know how is the severity also, we don't know.
Okay.
We are not taken any scanning, no. So based on your, we are not taken any that endoscopy analysis also. Based on your these things, I have given you diet. We don't know how severely she got affected also, right? So it is a better we will go ahead this diet.
Okay.
Okay,
Fine,
we'll
fine.
continue. We'll
Fine,
continue that because this is actually no. It will be suits for her system also because her digestive system will be little weak. Usually old people, they're having digestive system weak. They can't take pulses or cereals like us. No, they will take little milk-based items, easily digested food only. So as I said, no, germinated foods, fermented products, this and all suits for elder people. Easily they will get digested. So let her continue this diet.
All
Continue
right,
with
all
this.
right.
If she her gastritic problems aggravates, then we have to consult a doctor.
Okay.
Furthermore, if it is aggravates, that time we have to consult doctor. Otherwise, let her take normal food, no issues.
Yeah.
Okay, and make sure that while sleeping, she should not lie down completely. That part you take care. Okay.
All right, then. Thank
We
you
will,
so much,
Thank
Gomati
we,
ma'am.
we will review after 15 or 20 days, Riddhima. That time we will see again she is having that throat pain or something. If she
Okay.
complains again that the problem is that, then we will meet doctor once. Okay.
All
Yeah.
right,
Um,
all
We will
right.
give time for 20 days, 2 weeks
Yes.
time.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, all
Yeah.
right then.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you
See
so
you.
much, Gomati ma'am.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. See you all. Bye.
Bye. पापा,
हाँ बेटा।
अभी सब कुछ समझा दिया है।
हाँ बेटा, मैं सुन रहा था।
हाँ।
मम्मी को कितना याद रहेगा, दैट ऑल्सो नीड टू बी सीन।
अरे पापा, क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग की है यहाँ पे, रिकॉर्डिंग।
हाँ देख कब चट्टू इसके मारूं, चट्टू मार दूं।
पप्पू को। ए, कोई पार्थ को नहीं मारेगा।
सो रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, मम्मी को भी ध्यान रहेगा। सारी
हाँ,
चीज
हाँ,
नोट करके भेज देना एक बार उस पे, है ना?
हाँ,
उसका
हाँ,
प्रिंट
हाँ।
आउट निकाल दूंगा मैं।